Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to stop diarrhea fast, safely, and effectively. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, let's talk about what diarrhea actually is. Diarrhea is your body's way of flushing out toxins, bacteria, or viruses. This means that your body is trying to get rid of something harmful, which is why you end up running to the bathroom more often than usual. Diarrhea can be caused by a variety of factors, including infections, like the stomach flu, food intolerances, stress, or even certain medications. Now, let's get into how you can stop diarrhea effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide that you can follow at home. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. When you have diarrhea, your body is losing a lot of water and electrolytes, which can lead to dehydration. It's crucial to replace those fluids. The best way to do this is by drinking clear liquids like water, broth, or an oral rehydration solution, ORS. The World Health Organization recommends ORS as the most effective way to rehydrate when you have diarrhea. You can buy these at any pharmacy, or you can make your own by mixing 1 liter of water, 6 teaspoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Plain water is good, but you also need to replenish lost electrolytes. So, drink a mix of water, ORS, and maybe even some herbal teas like chamomile, which has soothing properties. Just avoid caffeinated drinks like coffee or cola because they can make dehydration worse. Adjust your diet. Next, you need to eat the right foods and avoid the wrong ones. Start with the BRAT diet, which stands for bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast. These foods are bland, easy to digest, and can help make your stool more solid. Bananas, in particular, are great because they contain potassium, which helps replace the electrolytes you're losing. Avoid dairy, fatty foods, spicy foods, and anything too high in fiber, as these can make diarrhea worse. Stick to small, frequent meals rather than large ones. Consider probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore the natural balance of your gut. According to a review published in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews in 2019, taking probiotics can shorten the duration of diarrhea, particularly if it's caused by an infection. You can find probiotics in supplement form or in foods like yogurt with live cultures if you're not lactose intolerant. You can also get them in kefir or fermented foods like sauerkraut. Over-the-counter medications. Sometimes, you might need a little extra help. Over-the-counter medications like Loperamide, known as Imodium, can help reduce the frequency of diarrhea by slowing down your bowel movements. However, these should be used with caution. If your diarrhea is caused by an infection, it's better to let it run its course instead of taking something that stops it, because your body is trying to flush out the bug. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before taking any medication, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Rest and reduce stress. Believe it or not, stress can make diarrhea worse. Your gut is closely linked to your brain, and when you're stressed, it can cause or exacerbate diarrhea. Make sure to get plenty of rest and try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to help calm your system down. When to see a doctor? While most cases of diarrhea are mild and resolve on their own within a couple of days, sometimes it can be a sign of a more serious condition. You should see a doctor in the following situations. Your diarrhea lasts for more than 2 days. You have severe pain in your abdomen or rectum. You notice blood or black, tarry stools. You have a high fever, over 102 degrees Fahrenheit or 39 degrees Celsius. You show signs of dehydration like dizziness, dry mouth, or dark urine. It's always better to be safe and get checked out if you're unsure. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to stop diarrhea and start feeling better soon. Remember, it's important to stay hydrated and take care of yourself while your body recovers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.